welcome back to Click, and today we're doing a quick unboxing and review of the Simply Carbon Fiber case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So this case I picked up a little while ago. I went on sale at Simply Carbon Fiber, so I thought why not? At that price it was worth a checkout. So let's throw it onto the phone itself and see what's what. Alright, so when it arrives here, it came in this pouch. There was no box, and it's kind of like a fake velvety kind of a box, which is alright. Adds to the look of, you know, the case itself. So there's the case itself, and let's see what else we get inside this little pouch. We've got some Simply Carbon Fiber stickers and some Simply Carbon Fiber cards. So let's just toss those to the side. Toss that to the side. Let's bring in the Note 8 and see what it looks like. So I always go in from the left to the right. Okay, and there we have it, guys. In-hand feels good. Doesn't add too much bulk to the phone itself. So all in all, definitely a nice case. Quality here, these cases has kind of diminished over time. If you watch my Simply Carbon Fiber case video on the iPhone 10, I was really disappointed with that one. But this one does have the soft touch feel of the sides of the case, which adds to the in-hand use and feel of the case itself, as well as its premium feel. The other one was a hard plastic that just felt terrible. It really was like a cheap case. Was not impressed with that. So let's go over this one and see what's what. I'm just going to clean up the back here. Bear with me a moment so I can get the carbon to shimmer through. Okay, and here we go, guys. Look at that. It looks absolutely crazy. Alright, looks awesome. And then you got the matte black soft touch plastic around the edges. So it really adds to the feel of the case itself. Okay, now on the right side here, seeing as we're here, we may as well start. We got a cutout for your power button. On the bottom, it is all cut out. Okay, you have easy access to your S Pen, which is great. On this side here, we've got a cutout for your Bixby key and your power volume up and down. And it's cut out at the top for your SIM tray and your mics. Now on the back, okay, you don't see the deep sea blue color here. It's all covered, and you have the black camera lens set up along with the fingerprint scanner. Now access to your fingerprint scanner is pretty straightforward and easy to do, as well as, you know, there's no reflection off of the camera when you're taking pictures with this case. So all in all, a great case. I think this case I would not recommend at full price. I think if you get it on sale, maybe it's worth a pickup. But you know, otherwise not a bad case to have around as a secondary one. So if you have any questions regarding it, please do post them down below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'm out.